Students, what about you? I hope you all are well, staying at home. I am also well. I am Parimal Chandra Mandal, Assistant Teacher of Alpangasia PN High School. Welcome all of you in my class. Today, I will discuss a topics of English grammar, that is changing sentence. So at first we have to know what is changing sentence. So dear student, look at the board. Changing sentences. Today we discuss about changing sentences. At first we have to know what is changing sentence. Here two words. One is change and another is sentences. Change means to transfer or on form to another form. Sentence means a meaningful statement. A meaningful statement is called a sentence, and change means to transfer. That means transfer one form to another form. So dear student, changing sentence means without changing meaning. To change a sentence one form to another form is called changing sentence. Here you have to remember one thing strictly, that we never change the meaning of the sentence, only change the structure of the sentence. Only change the structure of the sentence, but we never change the meaning of the sentence. So we can write no change of meaning. No change of meaning, only change the structure. So you have to mind these two important topics, but two important statement to change of meaning. To change of meaning. Sorry, no change of meaning, no change of meaning, only change structure. So dear student, we will learn changing sentence with examples. With examples. At first, I write a sentence. He is a good boy. He is a good boy. It is a sentence. And in my previous class, we learned three kinds of degree. One is positive degree, two is comparative degree, and three is superlative degree. Now we learn the rules of positive to comparative. Positive to comparative. Positive to comparative. So today we will learn the rules of positive to comparatives, and after this class we have to, but we will be able to transfer a sentence positive to comparative, and this is the learning outcome of my class. So look at the board and read this sentence. he is a good boy. He is a good boy. It is a sentence of positive degree. It is a sentence of positive degree. You have to change the sentence into comparative. You have to change the sentence into comparative degree. Generally, a sentence, it is a qualifying sentence. It is a qualifying sentence because good qualify he. So the structure will be subject plus verb plus adjective comparative form of adjective, comparative form of adjective plus than any other. So comparative will be subject he, verb is, comparative form of adjective, good is a adjective and the comparative form of good is better than any other. Boy in the class, he is better than any other boy. So generally a qualifying sentence, if we want to change a qualifying sentence into comparative degree, we have to follow this structure. At first we have to write subject, then verb, then comparative form of adjective plus than any other plus extension of the sentence, the rest of the sentence. So here he is a subject to comparative. At first we will write he, then verb is, comparative form of good is better, next than any other, the rest of the sentence boy. So this is the form of making a qualifying sentence into comparative degree. Next, dear students, we will learn another rules of rule 2. If a sentence of positive degree that express affirmative meaning, if a sentence of positive degree that express affirmative meaning with as ... as. So positive degree with positive degree express affirmative meaning with as. Example, he is as good as his brother. He is as good as his brother. Is it an example of positive degree? Express affirmative meaning. The sentence express affirmative meaning with as. So the structure will be last subject. At first we have to write last subject plus verb plus as the sentence express affirmative meaning. So here we will write negative, means not, after verb. So at first we have to write last subject plus verb plus not plus comparative form of adjective, comparative form of adjective plus then plus first subject, then plus first subject. So here last subject his brother, verb is not, comparative form of adjective better than he. Now dear student, it is an positive degree and express affirmative meaning with as. So following this structure we can able to change this statement into comparative degree. Now another rule, if a sentence of positive degree with as but express not affirmative meaning, negative meaning, express negative meaning, then the structure will be same but one word will omit, that is not. So the structure will be last subject plus verb plus comparative form of adjective plus then plus first subject. An example, he is not as good as his brother. It is an example of positive degree and here express negative meaning. Here express negative meaning, not, and with as. So the structure will be last subject plus verb plus comparative form of adjective plus then plus first subject. Last subject his brother, verb is comparative form of adjective better than first subject he. Now dear student, we have learned the rules of positive to comparative. There is another rule, if positive degree start with no other, then to make comparative, the structure will be last subject plus verb plus comparative of adjective plus then any other plus afterward of no other, afterward of no other. No other boy in the class is as good as he. So comparative, last subject he is better than any other boy in the class. Subject he, verb is comparative form of adjective better than any other plus rest of the no other. Now dear student, this is your homework. Transfer the following sentences into comparative degree. Today we have discussed transformation sentence positive to comparative. So dear student, stay at home and stay safe. That's all for today. Thanks of all.